Expand 2 minus x to the power half, substitute x equals 0.2 and find root 10 to 2 dp. So let's have a go at this then. Let's simplify the 2 minus x to the half first of all. That will equal, take a 2 outside a bracket, 1 minus the x over 2, isn't it? That's what we need. That's all to the power half. That's still 2 minus the x, isn't it? Just take a 2 out there. And that will be 2 to the half times 1 minus x over 2 to the half. So here, 2 to the half then. 1 minus x over 2 to the half is equal to 2 to the half times the expansion of this bracket here using the binomial theorem, with input n being a half, input x being minus x over 2. So 1 plus nx then, 1 plus n, which is a half, times x, which is minus x over 2, plus n minus 1, input x squared over 2 factorial plus n minus 1, n minus 2, input x cubed over 3 factorial. Hopefully that's sufficient level of accuracy, plus dot dot dot, close brace. Now the 2 to the halves cancel, so that's a little bit redundant there. So here we see that we get that 1 minus x over 2 to the power half is equal to 1. This will be minus x over 4. This one, we've got 3 minuses. We've got 2, 4, 8 times 4 is 32, so it's an x squared, isn't it? Over 32. There's 2 here, 3, 4, 5. 2 to the 5, 32. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minuses make a minus. This 3 here will cancel with the 3 to leave a 2. 2, 4, 8. There's 8 here. 8 8 is 64 times 2 is 128. Minus x cubed over 128. Hopefully that's a sufficient level of accuracy because we're only doing to 2dp. So let's put in x equals 0.2 then and see what we get. 1 minus 0.2 over 2 is 1 minus 0.2 over 2 is 1/10 to the half. That's 9/10, isn't it? To the power half is equal to 9 to the half is 3. 10 to the half is root 10. So this is equal to rationalize the denominator. 3 root 10 over 10 is equal to 1. Now putting x as 0.2 in. So that's minus 0.2 over 4 minus 0.2 squared over 32 minus 0.2 cubed over 128 minus dot dot dot. So now we can get root 10 from this. Move the 10 up and move the 3 down on the other side. 1 minus 0.2 over 4 minus 0.2 squared over 32 minus 0.2 cubed over 128 minus dot dot dot. So hopefully this is a sufficient level of accuracy here. This concerns the what? 0.2 over 8, that's a fifth cubed. This is a fairly small number here, even though you're timesing it by 10 over 3. So let's tap it in the calculator then. We've got 10 divided by 3 times bracket 1 minus 0.2 over 4 minus 0.2 squared divided by 32 minus 0.2 cubed divided by 128. Oops. It does help to move down to ground level. 0.2 cubed divided by the 128. There we go. Equals. Let's get the decimal. 3.16 to 2dp. And that was to 2 decimal places. So that's root 10 then. I think we're at a sufficient level of accuracy to have gone down to the cube term here.